Hey guys, sorry I didn't record much today. I'll just give you a recap of what I did today. So, I got a jacket, and then I came home. I was on YouTube for a little bit. I ate, and then I watched TV for a little bit, and I kind of fell asleep. So, I'm gonna, excuse me, I'm gonna try to, go back to sleep. So, good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. See ya. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. And it's Friday. So that's exciting. And tomorrow's Friday, so I'm gonna try to get more vlogs up because I'm so behind. And then once I catch up, I'm gonna try not to get that far behind anymore. But I should be pretty good by Saturday. Otherwise, guys, that is pretty much all I have to say. So this time, I mean this. Goodbye. Good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. I keep yawning. Bye.